Hey everybody, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I am your spice master here today. Hey, what do we got going on these starting to get super warm summer days? Well, we've got tomato salad and we've got a dressing that is to die for. But before we get started, go ahead, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can get the latest and greatest on my newest videos by clicking the bell down here and just hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified. So I've got a fabulous, and I mean fabulous, tomato, basil, and spicy recipe for an amazing salad dressing with just a few easy, simple ingredients that you probably already have in your refrigerator, but we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you what we've got going on. Now, you can use any kind of tomato, any sort of garden tomato, cherry tomatoes. I have what are called grape tomatoes, which are these really beautiful, robust, plump and juicy tomatoes that are amazing for this type of a recipe. Something easy, something light that you can add, that you can have just right before dinner or as a snack in the afternoon. So what I have here today is I've got my tomatoes and I've got some minced garlic and some Dijon mustard. I also have some fresh cut basil. I have the juice, 2 tablespoons of the juice of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candied Pickle Jalapeños, because this is going to give it a nice little zing, but it's not going to be so spicy that it's going to just take away from the amazing aromas of my balsamic vinegar and my olive oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding in my ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add my olive oil, and I'm going to put all of the ingredient portions down below in the description. And I've got my balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add the juice of my Sonya's Sweet and Spicy, which is so yummy. I've got my garlic and my Dijon mustard. I like to add the Dijon mustard in there. It kind of adds a little bit of creaminess to it. But as we start whisking this together, it's going to really, we can cream up this dressing fairly easy by just whipping it right into shape. Then a little bit of my lemon juice. And of course, I'm going to add a little salt, a little pepper, and yeah, it's going to look awesome. It's going to taste awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and just whisk that together. Super easy. Now this is something that you can always make ahead of time. You can double, triple, quadruple this recipe and make it so that it's super fast and super creamy. All right, so as you can see right here, my salad dressing is, smells great. It's gonna be so flavorful. And I'm just gonna get this and I'm gonna just drizzle it right over my salad, my little fresh cut tomatoes. And of course, if you've got tomatoes in your garden that are already starting, then of course, by all means, definitely have those on hand for this awesome dressing. Now, we don't want to forget to add in our fresh cut basil. Just going to drizzle that or just sprinkle that right on top. Going to mix that in. If you wanted to put this in the refrigerator to chill a little bit so that it's all chilled and ready for when you have dinner or guests or just have it as a snack, then it's all ready. But I'm going to go ahead and try this out. It's going to be yummy. I can just taste it right now. In fact, I'm going to use my fingers. What the heck? So good. The blend of balsamic and your olive oil, your lemon juice, your garlic, your Dijon, your Sonya Sweet and Spicy, and that magnificent basil and the lemon juice tie in so well together that it is the perfect fresh dressing for your perfect fresh tomatoes. And that is pretty much it today, everyone. Just a short and quick recipe for you today. And hey, what do you do when you're in a hurry? This is the kind of dressing. I don't ever buy any kind of bottled dressing. I just don't like it. This has no preservatives. Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candied Pickle Jalapeños have no preservatives at all. They are vegetarian and they are gluten-free, but there's no anything in there, no nitrates, no sodium this or MSG that. No way, Jose, we don't roll that way. So I hope that you can enjoy this amazing salad dressing. Put it on anything. You can put it on sweet peppers, lettuce, romaine, whatever kind of dressing, on anything. So I hope that you enjoy this amazing, easy recipe. There's no preservatives, no gluten, no nothing in there that is bad. It's all fresh goodness, and Sonya Sweet and Spicy is an amazing product. You can even chop up some of the jalapenos and add them to this if you like. But for today, I just added the juice that gave it just the right snap and just the right balance for some serious summer yumminess. And of course, you know how we roll here on Sonya Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. We're always chopping and slicing, dicing, cooking, roasting, and toasting. Be sure to check me out on Facebook. I'm on facebook.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy. Also on Instagram and also on Twitter. You can check us out on TikTok, and hopefully you can find us. Make sure to like us, give us a thumbs up, follow us, and do all that good stuff, and we will reciprocate and follow you as well. Have a good day. Have a great rest of the week, everyone, and we will talk with you later while I finish this up right now. Bye.